This video will discuss modified stems as a part of plant structure and function. Stems become modified to help plants be suited to a particular habitat or environment. Stem modifications we will be discussing include rhizomes, corms, stolons, tubers, and bulbs. Rhizomes grow horizontally underground. New plants will grow from the nodes. Examples of rhizomes include hops, turmeric, and irises. Corms are also known as bulbotubers. They are short, vertical, underground plant stems that serve as a storage organ. Examples of corm include gladiolus, taro, and water lily. Stolons are stems that run parallel to the ground. New plants can be formed at the nodes. Examples of stolons include Bermuda grass, St. Augustine grass, and strawberries. Tubers are modified stems that store starch. They have multiple eyes or buds that form new plants. Some tuberous plants do not flower. Examples of tubers are potatoes, jicama, Jerusalem artichoke, and splitting dahlias. They should not be confused with tuberous roots. Bulbs are also underground storage stems. The bulb has many layers that have the appearance of large leaves. Roots grow from the base of the bulb. Examples of bulbs include onion, garlic, tulips, daffodils, lilies, and hyacinths. As you can see, many modified stems are used for foods or food production. Other modified stems bring beauty in the form of flowering plants. I hope this video helped out and helped you identify 5 types of modified stems and helped you identify examples of each.